Hi everyone. So we are on to week 3. So I'm just going to walk you through about what I would like you to do before our Zoom class on Tuesday. And I hope you have completed all of Unit 1, Week 2 work, and you've submitted them. So I'm assuming you will do so by Sunday. So we are moving on to Unit 2 next week. And the unit will be on 21st century cities. I know we're jumping far ahead, and if you have your book, it's on page 92. It's actually unit 10 in your book, but for our purposes, we're going to do this unit 2. So always go to what is called the overview objectives, and that gives you an idea what we're going to do for this unit, okay? So what is it that I want you to do before you come to class? And you will always find a video of what you need to do here. So go for that, and then you go to modules. And if you see week 3, I want you to first click on the unit 2 vocabulary. And I want you to be familiar with these words. And all I want you to do is go to the dictionary and find the meaning of these words and write down in your notebook. You don't have to submit anything, but we will be going through these words. So I would like you to use the dictionary and write down the meaning of these words. Okay, that's the first thing I would like you to do. The second one is click on Unit 2, connect to the topic. And what I would like you to do is before our Zoom class, it says on Monday, but actually it's Tuesday. Read these 3 questions. It's in your book on page 92, but I've also posted it here. How important is it to you to live in a big city? What do you like about the city where you live now? What don't you like? And what part of the city would you most like to live in? If you're given a chance to move, where would you like to live in the city and why? And if possible, try to listen to this conversation, because we will be talking about the answers to these questions, and see if you can find the answers. And all this is on page 92 if you have the book. Okay, so this is what I want you to do to be prepared for our class on Tuesday. So make sure you do this. Okay, nothing else, but just go through the words, learn the meaning of the vocabulary items, then come here or in your book, just jot down your answers in your notebook for the 4 questions, and then listen to this conversation and see if you can circle the best answer and bring that to the class. You don't have to submit anything. Okay, that's about it.